Today, we're going to create a new patient using the Electronic Prescribing measure at MD Interactive. The first thing that you'll want to do is select your favorite browser and browse to mdinteractive.com. Here, you'll log in with your existing username and password, or select Register Now to register a new account. For today's purposes, both the username and the password will be in all caps, PQRI lowercase test. At the home page, you'll want to create a new patient record. The current default layout may be set to Preventive Care Measures Group. To change this, simply click on the drop-down menu, scroll down to Electronic Prescribing Incentive, and click. Once the template has been changed, we can begin. Please note that when you input the NPI, you should use the individual provider's NPI and not the group NPI. Also, you should use the TIN that the practice uses to bill Medicare. When inputting any date in the MD Interactive database, you should do one of the following. Either click to see the calendar and scroll through the previous months and years to find the appropriate layout. Or, if you wish to manually input, use date dash 3-letter abbreviation for the month dash year. Please note that all patients should be fee-for-service Medicare. In order to receive the incentive payment, you will need 25 visits where electronic prescriptions have been used. This could be 25 different patients, each having an electronic prescription, or one patient seen 25 different times, receiving a prescription 25 different times, or any combination of the two. Once you've double-checked all the information to ensure its accuracy, click to create the new patient record. Now that the patient record has been created successfully, we can click Go next to the Home drop-down to return to the home screen. Here, you can create a new patient record for a new patient, or you can search for the previous patient. Let's search for our previous patient that we just added. We'll input some search parameters. We should also note that the default layout again for the search could be set to something other than what we need to use. To change this, simply click the drop-down menu and scroll down to Electronic Prescribing Incentive to search the appropriate database. Now we can search the patient records. Once we find our patient, we can simply click on the name. We'll note here that we should click on Electronic Prescribing Incentive if we wish to add another visit for the patient. Let's add a new Electronic Prescribing Incentive note for a new visit. All the previous information should be correct, but let's change the visit date for a new visit with a new prescription. Now we'll click Insert New Note after double-checking the information. We can correct any errors that we find, then click Insert New Note. Now the note has been inserted successfully, and we've added another visit date for the patient with another electronic prescription. Now we can simply close out these boxes and return back to home to either input a new patient or search again.